Hi, I am Sman Mavia and you're watching my channel Stat Specialist. Today I will talk about definition of probability. Probability can be discussed from two points of view, objective and subjective. Objective also three types, classical, relative, frequency, axiomatic, subjective. 1. Classical probability. If a random experiment can result in n mutually exclusive and equally likely outcomes, and if m out of these outcomes are considered favorable to the occurrence of a certain event A, then the probability of A is equal to m over n. M is equal to number of favorable outcomes and n total number of possible outcomes. Example 1. If one coin is tossed, there are two mutually exclusive outcomes, head or tail. If coin is fair and each outcome is equally likely, then the probability of head is equal to n of A divided by n, where n is equal to 2 and n of A is associated with a head, n of A is equal to 1, then the probability of head is equal to 1 over 2. 1 stands for favorable outcomes and n is equal to total number of possible outcomes. There are two. Example 2. Suppose that a card is drawn at random from a ordinary deck of playing card. The probability of drawing a spade is readily seen to be 13 over 52 or 1 over 4. We know that in playing card there are 4 suits. Spade is one of them. Spade has 13 cards, number of favorable 13 and total number of possible outcome 52. 1 over 4 probability of occurring a spread card. Example 3. The probability of a drawing a number between 5 and 10 includes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 6 numbers and each number consists of 4 cards. 6 into 4, 24. Number of favorable outcomes 24 divided by 52. Number of possible outcome, total possible outcome. There are 6 over 13 probability. Relative frequency probability. If a random experiment is repeated a large number of times, say n time, under identical condition, and if an event A is observed to occur m time, the probability of a event A is defined as the limit of the relative frequency m over n and n tends to infinity. Probability of A is equal to limit n approaches to infinity m over n. Example. One tosses a coin, which might and might not be fair, 1000 times and observed head on 520 of tosses. Then probability of head 520 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.52. Probability of head is equal to 0.52. There is another table. We toss 100 times a coin. Outcomes are head occur 56 times and tail occur 44 times. The observed relative frequency 0.56 and 0.44. If number of trial increase, long run expected relative frequency become equal 0.5 and 0.5. the coin or fear. Axiometric approach. A axiometric approach to probability which clearly related to the theory of probability, in which we will build our entire theory of probability on these three axioms. Axiom 1. For any event A, probability of A always equal and greater than 0. Probability of sure event is equal to 1. For any countable collection A1, A2 up to so on for mutually exclusive event, probability of A1 union probability of A2 union probability of so on is equal to probability of A1 plus probability of A2 plus so on. Subjective approach. Any data is given but difficult to conclude their decision. This time a man performed their result by the help of past record. Subjective approach is a guess approach. In subjective approach, we guess the probability of occurring. It may or may not be true. In subjective approach, experience plus data plus thinking and guess the probability of occurring. Thanks for watching. Also subscribe my channel and like share my video. Thank you.